Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member. Her name is Malia and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet. Hi Malia. I need your help. Due to the pandemic, we had to postpone our wedding last year, but we are also planning on paying out of pocket due to financial reasons." Totally understand that, Malia. I really love the centerpiece flower arrangement, but would really hate to spend hundreds of dollars on it. Everything about my wedding is pretty much DIY, and I would love for you to help me remake this centerpiece at a cheaper cost. Thank you so much, Malia. Malia, we are absolutely going to show you how to create this centerpiece at a cheaper cost and that same exact stunning look. I cannot wait to share it with you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Tall Orchid Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So for this centerpiece, we're going to use a 23-inch Pilsner vase and a 4-inch foam disc. Now, for extra security, you can add a little hot glue onto the inside of the vase rim before you put the foam disc in. Be sure to leave out about a 1/4 of an inch of foam so that you can attach orchid stems to that also. Next, we're going to attach our rhinestone border sticker. I love these because it already has adhesive on it. All you do is place it where you would like, and it attaches just that easily. You will need to trim down your stems on all of your orchids about anywhere between 6 to 12 inches. For the longer ones, I cut off about 12 inches on them, and then the shorter ones, I've cut off 6 inches. That way you don't have a lot of extra stems that you're trying to fit into a very small styrofoam disc. We're going to use these orchid stems in 3 different ways. So first we're going to use the entire stem, or I'm calling the full stem. And then next I'm going to cut off all of the stems and make them individual pieces. Finally, I'm going to cut off all but 2 of the stems, and you will see how we place them at different sections of our centerpiece to create that full, beautiful look. Well, Malia, how did we do? I think we created the exact same look for a fraction of the cost. Your inspiration picture, which is probably live flowers, runs right at about $275 to $300 a piece. You could make 4 of those for the cost of that one centerpiece using this artificial flowers and the Miss Planet plan. So, happy DIYing. I hope you guys like this project. If you do, by all means like us. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right down in the corner and you will get an extra special notice from us the moment our videos are live. If you would like, you can leave us a comment or ask us a question. I answer all the questions personally. And guess what? If I don't get to it right away, our community of DIYers definitely will, and they are pretty awesome. You can also follow us on our social media handles, and that would be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is the perfect opportunity for you to save money on those supplies for your weddings, your parties, and because we're finally getting to come back together. So go into the description, sign up for the link. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases, receiving a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's really that simple. Don't forget to head over to our website, missplanet.com, for fantastic information on and cost-saving tips. We can't put everything here on our station, so head on over to our website, missplanet.com, by clicking right there in the corner on that icon, and you will get more cost-saving tips, as well as an option to go to our free resource library for more DIY information and ideas. So head on over there. You don't want to miss it. Our time has come to an end so fast. I want to thank all of you for watching. I want to thank you for subscribing. I'm so excited to say we have made it over 100,000 subscribers, and it could not have happened without each and every one of you. I appreciate every single one of you, from the very first person who subscribed to us to the 101,000th person who subscribed to us. So I just want to thank you so much for your support. It means more than you know. And I just want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.